You're shopping for a new living room set, maybe remodeling your whole house. Then you see the 0% financing for 50 months offer on the Rooms to Go credit card. It sounds like a dream. Spread payments over years, avoid interest, get the furniture now. But if you've been burned before by long-term financing plans, you might ask, is the Rooms to Go card really the smart way to buy furniture? Or is it a trap that hides steep interest, restrictive use, or debt risk? Let's dive in and find out whether this card deserves a spot in your wallet, or whether you should walk away before signing. I've reviewed dozens of retail store credit cards and financing plans, from electronic stores to furniture chains. I've tracked how the fine print works, the deferred interest pitfalls, the credit score impacts, and how easy or hard it is to actually pay off those long-term plans. So when the Rooms to Go card came up, offering multi-year 0% deals, I signed up, used it for a qualifying purchase, and reviewed the terms, the repayments, and what happens if you slip up. This is an honest test of how it works in real life, not just the marketing. The Rooms to Go credit card advertises 3 major promises. Claim no F1, multi-year interest-free financing. You can finance large purchases, for example $1,475 or more, over 18, 24 or up to 50 plus months with 0% APR. Nerdwallet.com, wallethub.com. Claim number 2, no annual fee and fair credit eligibility. The card claims to have no annual fee and be accessible even if your credit is just fair. WalletHub.com claim number 3, simple use for furniture purchases. It's positioned as an easy way to afford big-ticket furniture without paying interest, tailor-made for the store. TravelBlissHub.com. They sound appealing, but the questions remain. What are the trade-offs? What catches should you know? Let's go deeper. Usage and limitations. The card is issued by Synchrony Bank and is a store credit card. You can only use it at Rooms to Go. BobCutMag.com. That means you won't earn general rewards or use it like a Visa, Mastercard everywhere. Promotional financing. The long 0% periods are real, e.g., up to 50 months interest-free for qualifying purchases of $1,175 or more. WalletHub.com. But there are conditions. You must make equal monthly payments. You cannot skip or pay only the minimum and expect no interest. Nerdwallet.com. Down payment and terms. On top of qualifying purchase amounts, you often must make a down payment equal to sales tax and delivery fees. BookYourTripOnline.com. High regular APR, outside promotion. Once promotional periods end, or if you don't meet terms, the regular APR can be very high, up to about 34.99%. WalletHub.com. No rewards program, use only at store. You'll not earn cash back or points. Use is limited to the retailer. BookYourTripOnline.com. Customer Taschen community complaints. Some cardholders report serious issues, sudden credit limit reductions, account closures, unexpected interest charges if terms not met. Reddit credit score. Impact because the card is for large purchases over time, utilization and payment behavior matter. If you carry high balances or get limited usage, your credit score could suffer. Reddit. If you frequently shop at Rooms to Go and are confident you will pay off the entire purchase within the promotional period, this card can be a smart tool. The no-interest financing over multiple years is significant, especially for large furniture sets. However, for most people, this card comes with several caveats. It's restricted to Rooms to Go only. High regular APR if you don't fully comply with promotional terms. No rewards or flexibility outside the store. Potential risks to credit utilization and account limits if you don't manage it carefully. So, is the Rooms to Go credit card worth it? Yes, sir, but only if you use it as intended, for a qualifying purchase with a clear payoff plan, and you will not rely on it for general credit use. For casual furniture shoppers, or if you might carry a balance past the promo term, you'd probably be better off using a general-purpose credit card with rewards and a 0% introductory APR option. In short, it's a specialized tool, not a general credit card solution. Use it wisely, or you risk paying more than you bargained for.